2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, climate control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.